Hello, my name is Caleb Wheeler. I am a senior in computer engineering here at NC State University, and I'm the former vice CEO of the Embedded Machine Learning Club.
I'm Evan Merkel. I'm a senior, or I'm gonna be a senior in computer and electrical engineering. I'm the vice CEO.
I am Trenton Wallace. I am studying electrical engineering. I was a founder of one of the club and acted as the CEO.
The Embedded Machine Learning Club is a new club that we started last year on campus. I was one of the founding members, and so we were excited to find a space for machine learning and embedded systems at NC State to come together. So we really want to work at the combination of those two.
Mainly because there's a lot of different specific applications for machine learning in embedded systems.
And we didn't really see many clubs that had that engagement, so we wanted to make a new space for that.
So we tried to decide how can we actually make more of a community for all of our students at the undergraduate and master's level, and of course PhD as well too. That summer we started kind of getting some of the students to talk to each other and started to kind of coordinate.
And we realized that this is actually a huge need on campus and a lot of people were interested.
We got now for some of the activities, more than 20 participants, and I think their mailing list is over 70 students right now that are engaged in one way or another with the club.
One of our future goals is to compete in a small 1/10 scale self-driving car racing competition, and so we're hoping to have some mechanical engineers who can help us with the motors and the tires and everything else that's mechanically necessary for a vehicle such as that. And so it's really cool to see that collaboration between electrical engineers, computer engineers, some other mechanical engineers, and we're open to any other disciplines because machine learning can impact any discipline in engineering or otherwise, and so we're excited to have as many people in the club and a part of it as possible.
That's basically what the focus of the club has been, taking some of the machine learning, making sure that it actually works in real time on some of the embedded devices, and then trying to see how we can actually expand on that and use it for different use cases and how we can actually inform and educate basically our community.
I think machine learning is amazing because it's an opportunity to help people. It should be used as an assisting tool in almost every case to help people make better decisions. I know that's super broad, but some great examples is identifying cancer cells or detecting how much pesticides to put on a plant based on its biomass so there's less environmental runoff. Or for example, this summer I'm working for Tesla and they're using machine learning to create a self-driving car to make roads safer. So there's always an opportunity for machine learning to help someone.
We want to impact people's lives and we want them to come out of it with experience that can help them land a job.
And that's a main goal of our club is we want to pass down knowledge. We want to make sure that it's easily accessible.
I came into this club not knowing very much about machine learning, and so I was excited to learn about it from my peers, so definitely I got a lot of experience from them.
One of our goals for the club is to sort of branch out and do a lot of volunteering work as well.
In the future, we plan on having Python workshops with the student body, not just for machine learning engineers, but also mechanical, CS. And then after that, we also plan on helping Dr. Lobaton and with a research grant that's focused on giving students in high school more STEM education through machine learning, workshops, embedded systems, and things like that.
One of the reasons I wanted to come to NC State in the first place was because I wanted to pretty much be able to explore any type of opportunity. Being able to get experience with stuff like machine learning, I feel is very beneficial to being able, whenever I move out to industry, to have those tools at my disposal if I need them.
One part of our club is that we want to push for equity. We realize that a lot of people coming into college or maybe coming into a master's degree do not have as equal amount of resources based on their culture, identity, and background. So as a club, we want to recognize that disparity and kind of raise people to their fullest potential. I think that's something we really want to push in our club.
No matter where you're coming in, whether you have no experience at all or you have, a doctorate in machine learning technologies or algorithms, we're a club that is mainly there to make sure that you're getting the best out of what you do. So we're going to put you in a place where you can, succeed. And that's the whole idea of the club, is we just want people to succeed and have fun. And machine learning and embedded systems and ECE specifically, we have a really, really good mindset on how to grow and expand the program. And so as a student who might be looking at NC State, getting in now would be a great way to grow with the department and really solidify ourselves as top machine learning department, but also top machine learning school in the future.